Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at another homologous series, which is the carboxylic acids. Okay, and it's worth just pointing out before we get into them that carboxylic acids, to help us identify them, the name of each of these is going to end in oic acid, and they are all, as the name suggests, acids. They're actually weak acids, and we'll learn more about that in future videos. Okay, general formula. CnH2n plus 1 and then COOH on the end. This is the functional group. This is what gives it its similar properties to each structure. Okay, so let's look at the first one. The first one carbon. So remember, one carbon is always meth, and then we've got the ending oic acid to indicate it's a carboxylic acid, methanoic acid. To draw it, right, this functional group looks like this, and then all you have to do is make sure this carbon's got 4 bonds. So 1, 2, 3, there's my 4th bond. This can only have 1 carbon because it's methanoic acid, so that becomes a H. So the formula is HCOOH for methanoic acid. Look at the next one down, ethanoic acid, ethanoic acid. So as we said, ethan is 2 carbons. We know that it's got to have this functional group. So there is my functional group. This carbon here needs 4 bonds, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Put on your H's, so it's CH3 COOH. Okay, is how we get that one. Then 3 carbons long is propanoic acid. 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3. Put the functional group on the end, so COOH, and then count up the number of bonds, and then put your H's on to make it 4 bonds with all the H's. Therefore, we've got CH3, CH2, and then COOH to give me my functional group. And there is propanoic acid. And the final one here is butanoic acid. So 4 carbons is butanoic acid. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make this one our functional group. Then put your bonds on to give it 4 bonds. Put your H's on. And it is CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. And that is butanoic acid. Okay. So key features. Make sure you know that the functional group is this, COOH. Remember the naming, methan, ethan, propan, butan, oics to represent the fact they are carboxylic acids. Best way to do it, have a go at drawing myself and make sure you can get them all correct.